वणक्कम, नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम जानने वाले हैं व्हाट इज मीन बाय मार्केट कैप। बेसिकली व्हेन लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डेफिनेशन, डिस्क्रिप्शन, statistics and then examples. But in this video we are going to do something exact opposite of above what I told. We'll start with an example, stats, description and then definition. चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं. So what is mean by market capitalization? So for example, the left side stocks are listed. These are banking stocks: HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank. The column B, we have market capitalization of them listed. So basically these market caps are recent ones. So if you notice, HDFC ranks first and it has highest market capitalization in all the banking stocks. So in order to understand what is meant by market cap, so we'll see an example taking a bank, bank named X. So the market cap is 50. So how did we get this market cap as 50? So basically in stock market, the number of shares listed for this X bank is 5 and the stock price of each share is 10. So basically if we multiply this number of shares 5 into stock price 10, we'll get 50 and this is called as market cap. So coming to the real time examples, if we see example, if we can take HDFC Bank as an example. So basically here the current market price of HDFC Bank revolves around 1079.4. So number of shares currently existing for HDFC Bank so is 550.31. So if we multiply both these things, it comes around 5,94,000 share market cap. So this is how we get. So basically market cap is obtained by multiplying the number of shares and stock price of each share. So now we have understood the example. So come, let us see the statistics of market cap of each bank. See, we can, from the graph we can easily identify that market cap of HDFC Bank ranks first and then Kotak Mahindra and then ICICI Bank and then Axis Bank and then IndusInd Bank. These are some examples we can get to know. So coming to the definition of market cap, basically it refers to total value of a company shares of a stock, that is combining all the value shares is defined as a market cap. So basically the formula we saw in example is it is calculated by multiplying a price of a stock by its total number of outstanding shares. So here if you see stock price multiplied by the total number of shares. So does it apply for all the stocks? Yes, of course, irrespective of our sectors. It applies for all the stocks, whether it may be banking, it may be infrastructure, it may be microfinance, it may be construction, so it may be oil and gas, so whatever it is. So one thing we have to know about the market cap is, based on the market cap, the stocks are classified into three types. One is large cap, the other one is mid cap and the other one is small cap. So if we come to see how large cap stocks are defined, so basically if the market capital is more than 20,000 crore, they are large cap stocks, and if they are between 5,000 crore and less than 20,000 crore, they are defined as mid cap, and basically the small cap stocks are less than 5,000 crores. So this is how the market cap is defined, and I hope this video was useful. We'll sign off with this. Thanks everyone.